This video is for parents of 2-year-old kids to 12-year-old kids, sometimes even elder kids. So, this is a message which is very important for all the parents who are worrying about the future of your child, especially the mothers, right? Every mother, wake them in the middle of the sleep and ask them, what's your biggest worry? My biggest worry is my child. He's always focusing on cartoons, not on studies. Every time I keep on calling my child, she doesn't even respond because she's so hooked on to the cartoon. I get so irritated, my heads are breaking. Almost all my parents who call me have this complaint, and they even tell me, ma'am, please be strict on them. Tell them not to watch cartoons. But the one answer which I always give them over phone is, let kids watch cartoon. It is okay for kids to watch cartoons. And that is what I'm going to share with all of you out there today. Yes, you heard me right. Let kids watch cartoon. But make sure they watch the cartoon only in English. Because cartoons are one of the interesting way to inculcate the habit of imagination and creativity in your child. Right from a 2-year-old, they learn to imagine so many things based on a cartoon program. We don't sit and teach them what is imagination. We don't sit and teach them what is creativity. But cartoons does that so beautifully. So cartoons are one of the best things we could expose our kids to. So don't stop them from watching cartoons, but remember, make sure to have the channels in English only. Almost all the Readoheads today has the feature to change the language to regional language. So most of our houses have Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Hindi cartoons, but it's very rare to see kids watching cartoons only in English. If your kid does that, give yourself a thumbs up. If not, make sure you get the thumbs up by changing this in your house. Make sure that your child watches cartoon only in English. That way, you're not forcing them to learn the language. You're not forcing them to learn new words. But all these are happening subconsciously. And what more do we want as parents, as mothers? They learn beautiful English words. They learn beautiful English sentences and amazing creativity through cartoons. So don't stop your kids from watching cartoons, but make the small tweak and win the child. Make sure you change the cartoon programs from regional language to English and let that continue forever. That way your child is going to learn a lot of creativity, imagination, along with which he can improve his English vocabulary to a great level. So hereafter, mothers, please don't worry that your child is so obsessed with cartoons, because they are definitely learning something there. They're learning to create. They're learning to create things which are not possible in the real world. Their imagination goes to a different platform by exposing them to cartoons. Now you may wonder whether this idea would work, but I'm sure this will work, because this is a tested and a proven technique at my house. As a mother of a 9-year-old, Yashwant, I did this for him. He was also watching cartoons in regional language for quite a long years, but then at one point I decided to swap it to English, and I made sure he doesn't get to change it. It was a strict rule at my home that we'll watch cartoons but only in English. So that way I could see a lot of vocabulary improvement in him, because he is someone who doesn't spend so much time onto reading books. Hardly half an hour we spend together to read books every day. So, and that is really not enough, right? So this way he started learning a lot of expressions, a lot of new words, its meanings. He started searching the meanings by himself, and he started understanding words based on the context that he sees. So that way it really helped him improve his vocabulary. Most of you would have seen this in his videos as well. So that way this is a tested and a proven technique. So do try this out at least for next 6 months at your home, and I'm sure you will then not want to stop your kids watching cartoon, because the difference is going to be really considerable. So if you are a parent who can spend time with your kids, sit with them and watch the cartoons with them. Make sure whether they pay attention to the words. Ask them for the meaning of those words. Tell them that you don't understand and ask them to help you understand it. That way they listen even more cautiously to help you understand. They get the feel of a teacher there, and that pride they will not want to miss. So they'll be even more cautious in listening and learning to teach you. That way it's going to be a really helpful technique, and I'm sure this would work good for you as well. So do try this technique for about 3 to 6 months and comment below whether it worked for you, because it might motivate other mothers too. I'll meet you all in my next video with a new lesson. Until then, it's me, Charumati, signing off. Bye-bye. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like the video. Bye.